Okay, welcome back to the vlog, 94/7 Media. So we got all the parts that we needed back home. Everything that came in, it's already pretty much prepped. The only thing that we have left over that we don't have prepped is the irons. And the irons need to be prepped by actually shooting a little bit of paint on them, getting a little bit of the debris that's over here left over from when they actually ran the engine at the factory to make sure it was legit. So we have a little bit of rust that we have to remove. We're gonna cover this area up when we're done. We're gonna use AutoZone brake cleaner, probably a can or two. We're gonna clean everything up, get it ready, and then we're gonna paint. And we're gonna show you the rest of the parts that came back in. And with that said, we're gonna have the engine ready for assembly, and we'll do that on the next video. So this video is just to show you how to we clean the parts and the colors that we ended up choosing for the build. So yeah, with that in mind, let's get going. First step, getting some of the rust out. How are we doing on tape? Not very good. One done, one almost done, two to go. So now we're checking for more tape. If not, it's one of those perils of car building. In the quest of spending more money, and we're gonna have to go get some more. How are we looking? Good looking?
We can use your gold vinyl to cover it.
Ooh. We are going to use vinyl to finish the job. Why didn't we do that from the beginning?
Get rid of the tape.
Good point. I think the vinyl will work much faster.
Harshness.
Aww. Alright, so now we're ready for paint. Originally, I opted to go with a flat color, but once we got the parts back, the rotor housings and the oil pan from ceramic coating, I realized that it was very flat. Our front cover is it's already polished, so we want to add a little bit of gloss to the engine. I don't want it to look too flat, so we're gonna trade this off for the gloss black. Alright, here we are, back from a fresh coat of paint. The irons are glossy black. We do have our front cover, which is polished. Beautiful front piece. We'll match the rest of the radiator and the intakes and other stuff that's in the front that's actually polished. Some of the pulleys are yellow, and that's gonna match with this. These are back from ceramic powder coating. The ceramic powder coat is actually a flat finish. It's rated for, I think, 2000 degrees, and it looks very nice. It's a nice contrast of color and also of shiny and flat. So we got all these pieces, and the cream of the crop is actually our build to apex oil pan. So this is actually a baffled oil pan. It's going to allow us to keep oil in it when we actually take in high turns in hard G conditions on the track, for example. This is exactly what we need. That's one benefit of it. The second benefit of it is because we're going to go high boost and we're going to stud the engine. Basically, we're going to use not the factory screws. I have a set of different screws that are actually going to give us a little bit more rigidity, but the thickness of this pan here is actually going to add also rigidity to the plates. So the plates under high pressure, they want to expand and also want to tweak. There's dowel pins on each one here. There's 4 of them that actually want to keep the engine together, but that's a factory setup. It was never meant to be boosted over 20 pounds. So this thickness of the oil pan is going to actually keep the rigidity of the whole engine together, and that's what we want to do. That and not the oversized studs, but the actual stud kit that we have is going to allow us to do exactly that. So this is it. Nice yellow and black combination with a little bit of polish, and very excited to put this together. I'm sure you guys are gonna be excited as well when it all comes together. So follow us, stay tuned, follow us next time. We are going to reassemble the engine. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next show.